Welcome, I'm Dr. Tom Warren and you're watching The Plant Doctor. What we're doing today on this zoysia grass is we're going to be scalping this zoysia grass. So scalping is the practice of taking off this brown, straw-colored looking dormant grass. And we do that for a couple reasons. One, it helps with promoting new spring growth. So right now, it's the first part of March. We're starting to see some green grass pop up in this dormant zoysia. However, it's not completely green yet. Number two, it actually helps with some weed suppression. So right now is a prime time for some weeds, and if you cut the grass really low, especially after you've put down pre-emergence like we have on this grass, I'll try to link the pre-emergent video here, you are going to have even less weeds. Number three is it's going to help with thatch. So zoysia grass can get extremely thick. This stuff's like carpet. I love it, but you do need to go through every so often and either dethatch or, like we're doing today, we're going to scalp this yard and then we are going to remove those clippings. I'm going to take the GoPro, I'm going to put it on my chest, turn it around, show you exactly what I'm doing, and hopefully you'll learn something by watching this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is mower height. I've actually got the mower up really high right now because all winter I've just been using it to rake up leaves with the lawn sweeper. But we're going to drop this to about the second to lowest setting here. I'm going to try to get the camera in here so you can see. And so we're going to be mowing here. That's right at 2 inches. So I'll start off at 1 3/4 or 2 inches, somewhere in there. And then as we progress through the summer, I'll just move this up till I get to around 3 inches or so by the time October rolls around. So we're going to start low, we're going to scalp it, and eventually we move up. So I'm going to go outside and we're going to show you how we scalp. So with my particular mower, the bagging system for this thing is like doggone $1,500 or something crazy. I got a lawn sweeper for this one. It's like 400 bucks, does an awesome job. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to mow in a fashion that we're going to push all this grass clippings to the middle of the yard. We're going to break out the lawn sweeper and we're going to clean it up. You don't want to take your grass clippings and throw it out in the flower beds, especially if you got fresh longleaf pine straw like this yard does here. So I'm going to put the camera in fast motion and we're going to zip around the yard real fast, and I'm going to show you how we are going to clean up the clipping. Okay, so you can see here I have a big pile of thatch or clippings, and then pretty much the rest of it's just in a pile right through here. And so what we're going to do, we're going to hook up the lawn sweeper. I'm going to try and film backwards as I drive the lawnmower forwards. We're going to see how this works, but I want you to see the lawn sweeper in action here and watch it get up all these clippings right here. Okay, so this is the finished product. It really turned out nice. You can see some of the darker spots in the yard. That's actually where the thatch had bent over and was collecting water underneath that layer. And that's an opportunity for fungus to take over in the yard. So we got that cleaned up. We're going to let some sunlight and some warmth get down into the grass, to the dirt. That's going to warm up the roots and encourage some green to come out as well. Just a good thing to do in general with zoysia grass. Guys, as always, thank you for watching The Plant Doctor, and until next time, happy gardening.